Allow me to introduce to you my new masticating juicer. Ta-ta-ta-ta! So over here I have beets, carrots, an orange, and some strawberries. And this is what it's going to masticate and turn into juice. To push down the fruit or the vegetable. Basically, you put in there whatever fruit or vegetable you like. You flip it. It falls into the juicer. It masticates it. That sounds like a bad word. It masticates it. And then on this side, it throws in the pulp. And then over here is for the juice. And the juice, you can, this is go or on, and this is off if you don't want it to pour anymore. And then it brings these two little cute containers. So yeah, so let's make some juice. Let's masticate some of these fruits or all of these fruits and vegetables over here. So I am first going to prep everything. There's no need to peel the orange. I'm going to go ahead and wash these off. They're just going to chop them off right about here. Without obviously trying to cut one of my fingers. We're not going to juice that. Okay, let's begin with a carrot. Let's see what happens. Let me turn it on. You see, here comes, and then here's the juice. You just open it up, and it pours right out. And then you can just close it up. Next, let's do a beet. And we open this up again. I don't know why I get so excited with gadgets. Okay, so now I'm going to try an orange. Oh, this one's still too big, but I got it in there. Let's do some strawberries. Okay, so now I'm going to use this cute little bottle to pour in the juice to then continue making more. Hopefully I don't create a mess. Oh, good. Oh, you know what I had to do? I don't know if this is strained. It's not strained. Hang on. I'm actually going to strain it in here because it's a lot faster. I went ahead and I cut up the rest of the strawberries, and I cut the carrots in smaller pieces. Time for the taste test. It's so good. delicious. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys. Mwah.